I did 21 years in the military, United States Navy, and I got out and I'm like, why don't you go to Pinellas Technical College? They have a marine technology program where you can get certified and start a business. Looked at my GI Bill and saw that I had 17 months left and this was a 14-month program. I was like, you know what? Looking for a change and something exciting, and really I'm on the water every weekend. So I thought, why not? Let's do it. And it's been absolutely incredible. The instructors are amazing. It's a massive change going from being in the military to a civilian world. So in that conversation with my buddy Eric, I was like, you know what, why don't we start a business? We're going to be called Anchor and Armor, Anchor for the Navy and Armor for the Army. And we're going to be a veteran operated and ran company, hiring only veterans. I'm now just about to finish my second semester. And really getting a lot of knowledge and better understanding on what to do with boats. And I love it.
I was born and raised in Puerto Rico, and I joined the Army back in 1982 when I was 21. Well, I was food service in the Army, and I wanted to experience especially the baking program because baking is a science. What I did is I looked for a school that was taking GI Bills, and I joined PTC. I enrolled in the culinary program. The transition from the military to the civilian life, it was easy for me because while I was in the military, I was doing a lot of part-time job with catering companies back in Washington, D.C. The reason that I went to cabinetry was because I was always interested in working with wood, do some woodworking. I decided to rebuild my whole kitchen. So I did that. I did all my cabinets. Veterans Day is the gratitude that we should show to the veterans for the freedom that we have